Abuti, say hello to the children.
Sanibona bantwana.
Today, we're learning about transport. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
What is the word for bicycle in isiZulu? That's right, ibhayisikile. And what is the word for train in isiZulu? Very good, isitimela. Now what is the word for bus in isiZulu? That's right, ibhasi. And the word for car in isiZulu? Very good, imoto. Now let's see if you can remember these words. What is the word for bus in isiZulu? And train? And bicycle? And car? Very good. And now you can use these words to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.